This is how to add Payoneer account in ClickWorker. Here is John from Ask JOFA. If you are here for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. Please help me click that like button. It will help so many people to watch this video. You can see this is ClickWorker website. To add your Payoneer account successfully, what you need to do first is to create your Payoneer account by using the link below the description of this video. If you use my Payoneer link, Payoneer will give you a gift of $25. You can see this is my own account. You now come to ClickWorker website. You click login for ClickWorker. You log in. As soon as you log in, if before now you fill in all your profile details and it only remain your Payoneer payment account to be completed, you will see this alert as soon as you log in. All you just need to do is to click on this, add your Payoneer details and your task details. But another way to access where to add your Payoneer account is this. Let me cancel this. You can see this is the inside of my ClickWorker. I currently have 15 euros that I'm here to collect. For you to add your Payoneer account in ClickWorker, you come to this side of the menu. If the device you are using is phone, you come to this place. You click it, it's going to bring out all those menus. For now, you come to this side of the menu and you come down straight. Look at it. You click payment detail. Look at this. Before we can send Payoneer payment, we first need to link your personal Payoneer account with ours. So they want you to link your Payoneer account. So you can see Payoneer account data confirm. You can see, let's read these things, very important. Please click one of the buttons. It leads you to Payoneer website where you can either register for a new Payoneer account or log into account. If you already have one, after your login or registration, Payoneer will connect the account and ClickWorker can pay you. If you already have Payoneer account, you click this place. Don't even bother clicking this place at all. Make sure you have your Payoneer account using that link I told you so that you will not miss that $25 gift. If you already have Payoneer account, so this is the one you will click. You put in the email you used to register your Payoneer and the password for your Payoneer account, then you click sign in. Look at it. Your payment detail verification is in progress. So you've added your Payoneer account successfully. All you need to do is to wait. How can you be sure that you've added the Payoneer account successfully? One of the things you do is to come back to your payment details. After some time, you click payment details. Look at it. Account data confirmed. Last modification date, put the date here. This shows that you've added and linked your Payoneer account in ClickWorker successfully. But you can also go back to your Payoneer to confirm in details. This is inside my Payoneer. For proper confirmation, you come down. Look at it. You click business network. Look at this place. Companies you work with, you click this place. These are different companies I'm working with. But if you look at it. This is ClickWorker. The payment is in euro. If you click here, so this is another evidence that the ClickWorker payment details for Payoneer has been added successfully. With these two confirmation is how you confirm the successful addition of your Payoneer account in ClickWorker. All you need to do is to process your payment. So what do you need to put in place to process your payment? There are 4 things that are necessary for you to put in place. The first thing is that you have to meet the threshold. That is the minimum payment for Payoneer is 5 euro. That is your earnings must be 5 euro upward. If it is other payment like PayPal or SEPA account, the minimum payment for those other means of payment is 10 euros upward. The next important condition is that you have to follow the procedure of this video, set up your payment method. The next thing you must do is that you must clear your tax details. That is, you have to declare that you are from US or you are not from US. The next video will take you through a step-by-step process of how you do that. Then, after you must have done all those things, you have to be sure that your payment is not put on hold. The payment or hold challenge will be resolved. I did a video about how to do that too. You see it at the end of this video too. As long as the stated conditions are in place, clear of them all, the payment is automatic. You don't need to request payment. The system will pay you every week if you use Payoneer. It is only PayPal and SEPA account bank payment that is bi-weekly. That is every 2 weeks. But if you are using Payoneer like I'm using, ClickWorker will pay you every week. So you'll be expecting your payment as long as you do as I instructed and get the money paid directly to your Payoneer account. And from your Payoneer account, you get the money to your bank account in your country. A YouTube video will come out now. You can watch it. You see how you process your payment to your local bank account in your country. You can also modify the payment details. If you've put a wrong payment detail before, all you just need to do is to click here, modify payment, and you change the detail. So the next thing I'll be taking you through is how to add your tax detail. Ensure sure you watch that video. Please like this video. It will help the YouTube algorithm to push this video to everybody around the world. Ensure you drop your comment and inquiries. I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you richly. Bye for now.